Are you also manually adding your Typeform lead details to the Google Sheet? Then you're totally wasting your time on the task that can be completely automated. Yes, you can automate this task by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your whole business. And not only these both applications, that is Typeform and Google Sheet, you can integrate thousands of applications by using Pabbly Connect. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Typeform and Google Sheet and save the lead details of the Typeform to the Google Sheet. So here I'm going to firstly show you the real-time working of this automation which I have already built in using Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to fill my Typeform, providing the first name as demo, and here I'm going to enter the last name of my user or lead as user. And here I'm going to enter the email as demo@pabblytunes.com. And now I'm going to provide the phone number too. And now let's enter the city over here. So here I have provided all the details. Now let's submit this form, and here you can see that my Typeform has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether we are receiving all these details over there or not. So right here you can see this is the Google Sheet named as Typeform leads record, where you can see I'm successfully receiving all the details of my lead. That is, full name is demo user, email is demo@pabblytunes.com, the phone number and the city. So now you have seen that as soon as I have filled my Typeform, the data is automatically added to the Google Sheet without any manual work. So now you can also create this automation for any business you are running, because this is going to save up a lot of your time and you don't have to manually add the lead details again and again. And for that you have to access Pabbly Connect. And now let me show you the process of creating this amazing automation. So now let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for creating this automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user, then you have to access Pabbly Connect by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chat Flow, Pabbly Connect and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the workflow page, where you might see this option of adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles. First one is the trigger and the second one is the action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Typeform. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Typeform. So now let me search for it, and you can select the trigger application according to the workflow you are creating. And here I'm getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as new entry. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here I'm landed to the connection page, where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection. And for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection button. Now let's click over this button, that is connect with Typeform. And as I have already logged in my Typeform account, I'm going to just allow the access. So I'm going to just select this accept button, and here my connection has been built in, and now it is asking me to select the form through which I want to receive the leads. So here my form has been already selected, that is my demo form which I have created inside my Typeform account. And now I'm going to select my response format as simple, so that I can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here you can see its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission, means we have to receive a new lead over our Typeform. So right here you can see this is the Typeform which I'm going to fill, providing the first name as smart, last name as user, email as smartuser@pabblytunes.com. And afterwards I'm going to provide the phone number too, and now I'm going to provide the city as well. So here I'm going to enter my city as Bhopal. Now let me submit this form, and here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this response over there or not, as we have recently built in the connection. So right here on my Pabbly Connect you can see 10 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled over my Typeform. And here you can check out the first name of my lead, the last name of my lead, and here you can check out the rest of the details too. So now as soon as someone will fill your Typeform, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to add this data to the Google Sheet. So for that I have to use the second principle of Pabbly Connect, that is the action app. So here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets, as I want to add my data over there. Now let's select the app event as add new row. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here for building the new connection you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection, and here my connection has been built in so smoothly. And we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the spreadsheet, which is already selected, and afterwards we are getting all these fields for entering all the lead details. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually tap the lead details like this, but no, I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect provides me a method by using which I don't have to manually write these details, and that method is mapping. Now you might be wondering, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the full name of my lead from the response which I'm receiving from Typeform, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting our previous application. So from the response of the Typeform I'm going to map the first name of my lead, which can be seen here, and the next I'm going to provide the space, and now let's map the last name from the response of the Typeform. So right here you can see this is the last name which I'm going to map, and likewise I'm going to map the rest of the details. So here I have mapped all these fields, and these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single form submission received over your Typeform. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request and send this data to the Google Sheet. So right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrate that our data might be saved to the Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet and check it. So here you can see in my Google Sheet the data is saved, and here I'm getting the same lead details such as full name, email, phone number, and the city. So now you have seen how I have created this amazing automation within few minutes without even a single word coding, and my Typeform lead details is automatically added to the Google Sheet. So now you can also create it for your business and reduce all your manual workload, and now you can just focus on growth of your business instead of manually adding the lead details to the Google Sheet, because Pabbly Connect is there for you. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box. So make sure to check it out, and if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.